Good morning, students. Welcome to Max class. Today we are going to see in chapter 1 subtraction of rational numbers. Additive inverse helps us to subtract rational numbers. Already in 7th standard you studied how to find additive inverse of the given integers. Now we are going to find additive inverse of the given rational numbers. The additive inverse of a rational number is another rational number which when added to the given number gives 0. Example, when a rational number 4 by 3 is added to minus 4 by 3 it gives 0. So they are additive inverse of each other. The additive inverse of 4 by 3 is minus 4 by 3. In a simple way, we can say that additive inverse is obtained by changing the sign of that number. Now we are going to subtract the rational numbers. Subtraction is simply adding the additive inverse. That is, instead of subtracting a rational number, we are going to add the additive inverse of that number. Example 1.12. We are asked to subtract 9 by 17 from minus 12 by 17. Since we are subtracting from minus 12 by 17, you write this number first. Minus 12 by 17, then put minus sign, then write the next number 9 by 17. Next step, write the first number as it is. Now we are going to change the operation from minus to plus. Since we have changed the operation, we are going to write the additive inverse of the second number, that is 9 by 17. What is the additive inverse of 9 by 17? Minus 9 by 17. See, both the rational numbers, we have the same denominator. So take 17 as common denominator. Add the numerators. Minus 12 plus minus 9. See the numerators, both the numbers have the same sign. So you know the rule. If both the numbers have same sign, you add the numbers and put the same sign. So 12 plus 9, 21. And put the same sign, that is minus by 17. Now you check whether we have any common factor for the numerator and the denominator. No, we don't have any common factor. So write the answer step. Answer minus 12 by 17 minus 9 by 17 equal to minus 21 by 17. Example 1.13. We are asked to subtract minus 2 6 by 11 from minus 4 5 by 22. So the number from which we are subtracting, you write it first. Minus 4 5 by 22 minus 2 6 by 11. See the rational numbers, they are mixed fractions. So now we are going to convert these fractions to improper fractions. You all know how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. Put the sign minus 4 into 22 plus 5. So 4 into 22, 88 plus 5, 93. The denominators remain same, 22. Minus, put the sign minus, convert it into improper fraction, 2 into 11 plus 6. 2 into 11, 22 plus 6, 28 by same denominator 11. Now in the next step we are going to convert the operation, that is subtraction to addition. First rational number, there is no change. So write as it is, minus 93 by 22. But instead of writing the second rational number, we are going to write its additive inverse. So what is the additive inverse of minus 28 by 11? 28 by 11 or plus 28 by 11. Here denominators are different. So in the next step we are going to find LCM for the denominators. LCM of 22 and 11. Both the numbers are divisible by 11. So how many times it goes? 2 times. Here 1. Again divide by 2. 1, 1. So the LCM is 11 into 2. That is 22. Since we have this LCM, that is 22 in the first rational number, in the denominator place, we are not going to make changes here. Write the rational number as such. But in the second rational number, we have 11 in the denominator place. So we are going to find equivalent rational number for this rational number whose denominator is 22. So by what number, when I multiply this 11, I will get 22 in the denominator? 2. By the same number, you multiply the numerator also. 28 into 2, 56. So instead of adding this rational number, I am going to add its equivalent rational number. That is 56 by 22. Now the denominators remain same. So take 22 as common denominator, add the numerators. Since the numerators are of different sign, you know the rule, you subtract the smaller number from the bigger number. So 93 minus 56, 37. Put the sign of the bigger number. Here 93 is bigger than 56. So put the sign of 93, that is minus 37 by 22. It is an improper fraction. So let us convert this into mixed fraction. So divide this 37 by 22. 22 goes one time. The remainder is 15. So minus 37 by 22 is equal to minus 15 by 22. Write the answer. Answer minus 4, 5 by 22 minus 2, 6 by 11 equal to minus 1, 15 by 22. Two problems I have given you as homework. First problem, denominators remain same, so it is easy to subtract. Second problem, denominators are different, so find equivalent rational numbers whose denominators remain same. Then you do it, and the answer which you will get will not be in standard form, so reduce that into its lowest form, then you write the answer. I hope you all will do it correctly. Thank you.